Have you ever wondered what our SIAB systems are all about? Let me show you, because I have one right here. I'm just doing the last little touch-ups here. We've had a bit of a change to the generator on this system, so I'm just resetting the programming for the generator, doing a few little bits and pieces. So let me show you one of our SIAB systems. So to give you a quick run through, we have our AC switchboard on this side. There's a solid partition inside there. We have our DC switchboard. We then have our main off-grid inverter, which is a Sunny Island. We then have our Sunny Boy inverters. And the way these systems work is that they take the solar panels up on the roof. These inverters convert that into AC power and put it straight into the switchboard ready to use. Any power that is not used and taken out to the home then goes through our multi-mode inverter and charges the batteries. And you'll see our lithium battery bank sitting down inside there. And then if the load exceeds the amount of power that's being produced by the solar, then this inverter will then convert the stored battery energy back into usable power through our switchboard, and out it goes. So this unit here, all of our cable connections connecting to the side here. That's for our generator, that's our AC power out and our DC power in, as well as our communications port. The unit itself, the box, is fully weatherproof. And so with this lid down and locked, that system there is fully weatherproof. It is always best to keep it out of direct weathering, so inside a shed like this is a great place for it to be installed. And that really is as complicated as it needs to be for the consumer. Now, all the magic happens inside here, inside of here, the way everything goes together. But from a consumer's point of view, all you need to know is that this comes as that is, completely pre-built, ready to turn on, built in our workshop. We bring it to site, it's already programmed, it's already designed to be turned on in around about 5 minutes. 5 minutes will give you time to do the cable connections, and away you go. You can turn this system on. Generally within 2 minutes you've got usable power, and there is a power outlet. In Australia we have the unit here has its own power outlet on the side. So you can literally set up the minute you drop this on site, turn it on, plug it in, and away you go. So that's our SIAB Premium system. That is designed to run as it sits right now. It will comfortably run a standard 3-bedroom home with standard appliances. We can have a second Sunny Island inverter in these units. And 2 modest 3-bedroom homes, you would run 2 homes off this system. So just to give you an idea of capability, if you're looking at doing a more basic version, you can come down to just the 1 yellow inverter, the 1 red inverter, and then you can add these other pieces of equipment in over time. Same with the batteries. It will hold 10 5 kilowatt hour batteries inside that frame. You only need 3 to get started. And then over time, in years to come, you can add more batteries into this system. So these have been designed by us here in Australia. They are designed specifically so that you can add to this system over time without having to throw away any of the equipment you've already purchased. So there you go. That is one of the SIAB Premium systems from DCI Industries. If you're interested in finding out how to get hold of one of these or whether it would work for you, I do need to put a little disclaimer on there. That being, these systems are designed for a 20-year lifespan. They are the best equipment that we can get into a system. That means they are not the cheapest system you're ever going to find. So if you're looking for the lowest cost price when it comes to off-grid standalone electrical systems, this isn't for you. But if you do want something that is of a high quality, that is going to last you 20 plus years and be headache free, then this is the sort of thing you might want to consider.